First, I think our industry has a great value proposition as a solution provider. And the solution we're providing is actually liquidity to an otherwise illiquid market. Second, we are very passionate about the lower middle market, where secondary transactions are still relatively early on the adoption curve, but are increasingly utilized by both sponsors and limited partners. And third, I think our history and experience in this market segment, both as a team and at the Apogem level as a platform, positions us very well to capture these opportunities. And lastly, we have a fantastic team. We execute secondary transactions in a highly competent and high integrity way. In the market segment where we focus, which is the lower middle market, I do. In fact, when you look at the sponsors within our network, the majority of them still have not executed a single GP-led transaction. And LP interests in these sponsors' funds, for the most part, still have not traded on the broader secondary market. So this white space in the lower middle market is one of the key reasons why we're excited about going to work every day. I think it's about being proactive, bringing intensity, and going the extra mile in everything we do. From sourcing investments to conducting in-depth due diligence, to managing portfolio, and ultimately servicing investors. For example, we sourced more than 300 transactions last year, representing more than $65 billion in total transaction value, which marked the largest sourcing year for our strategy in our history. It's also about harnessing the breadth and depth of the Apogem platform. We collaborate very closely with the sponsors and the LP community to provide mutually beneficial solutions. Lastly, going back to our people, we have a highly competent team that is also very likable. And in this relationship-oriented business, we believe likability matters.